Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to scan QR code crypto. Open the Crypto.com app, tap the QR scanner on the home screen and allow camera access. Hold your phone steady and center the QR code in the frame until it decodes. Confirm the address, check the amount and network, then approve the transaction. I'll walk you through tips to avoid errors and keep your funds safe while scanning codes. In this video, I will explain how to scan QR code crypto.com. Always verify the receiving address after scanning and compare a few characters manually. Check the chosen network to ensure compatibility with your wallet to prevent lost funds. Avoid scanning unknown QR codes from emails, social media, or random websites, and use only trusted sources. These habits greatly reduce risk and ensure safer transfers when using QR scans. In this video, I will explain how to scan QR code crypto.com. If scanning fails, clean the lens, increase lighting, and hold the camera steady at a slight angle. Restart the app and confirm camera permission in settings if the scanner won't launch. As a workaround, show the QR on another device or zoom in slowly until recognized. Follow these steps to resolve common issues and complete your transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.